Kawanan burung berterbangan memenuhi langit Tel Aviv, sementara di atas terlihat dua burung bertengkar di atas sebuah bendera. Pemandangan ini seperti simbol kecil dari sesuatu yang lebih besar. Ketika yang terlihat hanya dua pihak yang berselisih, tapi dampaknya terasa luas hingga ke banyak yang lain. Apakah ini sekedar kejadian biasa di alam atau justru sebuah isyarat tentang keadaan yang sedang terjadi? Kadang alam seolah berbicara dengan caranya sendiri tentang konflik, tentang kegaduhan, tentang banyaknya yang ikut terdampak, meski bukan kebagian dari pertikaian itu sendiri. Menurut kalian nih guys, apakah ini hanya kebetulan atau ada makna yang bisa kita renungkan bersama? Nah, daripada berbasa-basi lagi guys, mari kita sama-sama menyimak videonya. Jangan di skip, diputar.
An unusual scene shocked residents in Tel Aviv when thousands of crows suddenly filled the skies above the city. The incident was widely reported on March 25, 2026, when massive flocks of birds were seen circling buildings, including the famous Azrieli Towers, before flying away. Videos quickly went viral online, showing large dark clouds of crows flying across the skyline, sometimes covering roads and buildings, leaving many residents surprised and uneasy. While the exact number is not confirmed, experts say thousands of birds were involved in the swarm, forming one of the largest visible flocks seen over the city recently. On social media, many users began linking the event to ancient religious texts written thousands of years ago, claiming the appearance of birds could be a sign of destruction or war. Some posts referenced passages from the Book of Revelation in the Bible, where birds gather after major battles. However, scholars say the Bible does not specifically predict crows appearing over Tel Aviv. According to ornithologists, the real explanation is much simpler. Experts say the birds are likely part of the spring migration season, when many species travel between Europe, Africa, and the Middle East. Large flocks can also gather in cities due to food sources, weather patterns, or urban disturbances. So while the dramatic scenes sparked speculation online, scientists say the crow swarm is